Are you tired of harsh chemicals in your dishwashing liquid soap? Today, I will show you how to make a natural dishwashing liquid soap with just 4 ingredients. After watching this video, you will say goodbye to harsh chemicals like caustic soda and sulphonic acid. This 4 ingredients dishwashing liquid soap remove all grease from your dishes and also very friendly with your hands. Okay, this type of soap will not peel your hand for any reason. It's very friendly and keep your hand very soft. You can also use this as hand wash, or you want to keep it in your office or at home. It is very safe for your hands. If you have the intention of making soap for this year 2025 as a side hustle or as a major business, I would like you to also watch this video to the end so that you will see how this soap was made. Okay, the first ingredient we need to make this liquid soap is Nitroso. Okay, and the second one is Taxapon, while the third one is called sea salt. You can also call it industrial salt. We have our perfume, then we have our SLS. SLS is also known as sodium lauryl sulphate. Okay, and that is the colors I will be using to make this soap. I'm going to leave the accurate measurements to make this liquid soap in the description box. Please do well to check it out. To dissolve the industrial salt, you need 5 liters of water, but I'm starting with 3 liters of water. Okay, this industrial salt is going to help us to melt the Taxapon. Okay, and to be sure that your solution is thick, you have to start with little water like you just saw now. I just added 3 liters of water to this, so you will make sure that you mix this industrial salt very well to dissolve properly. Okay, so let's dissolve this very first one before we proceed to another one. Like you can see, it has fully dissolved. Can you see it? There is no single lump of anything inside. It is well dissolved. Now I'll go in with the Taxapon. Taxapon cannot dissolve in ordinary water, but since we are not using sulphonic acid, we need to add it to this salt water to dissolve properly. And when dissolving Taxapon inside this solution, you need to be patient with it because it will take a little while for it to dissolve properly. Okay, today is your first time of coming across my video. I welcome you to Very Nice Kitchen. I would like you to be part of this beautiful community. So like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, I'm grateful. Thank you for always stopping by. May God bless you. Remember, I told you that I'm mixing this solution with 5 liters of water. So now I'm adding the remaining 2 liters. I used 3 liters to dissolve the sea salt or industrial salt. Now I'm adding the remaining 2 liters. You can see that the solution is getting thicker, so you just keep mixing because the Taxapon has not fully dissolved. So you keep mixing until it is well dissolved. Now I will leave the Taxapon and the salt to dissolve while I continue with the other ingredient, which is SLS. SLS is known as rice and is also called sodium lauryl sulphate. Okay, I'm going to dissolve this in 2 liters of water. I hope you are taking note of the liters we are using, because at the end of the day we are looking for 17 liters, like we are making 17 liters of liquid soap.
Gentle tune, baking dreams by afternoon, from sunrise till the end of light. Bitterness makes everything right, cooking with love.
So guys, the SLS is fully dissolved, so I'll go over and check the Taxapon and the sea salt or industrial salt. So I'll still give that a good mix. I want to ensure that it is well dissolved. Whenever you are making liquid soap, always ensure to mix all your ingredients very well. That the spatula was not doing the job very well, so I switched to this wooden spatula and it did a very good job. Can you see how it is now? It has fully dissolved. This took me about 10 minutes to 15 minutes to dissolve. Okay, in this bowl we are going to measure 10 liters of water to dissolve our Nitroso. Okay, Nitroso is also a thickener, okay, to help our soap to thick. So you just add it to the 10 liters of water and mix it very well. Mix it until it is well dissolved.
Dancing in a pot so red. Garlic whispers, secrets daily fed.
Right now, I will gradually add the Taxapon and the sea salt solution that I have made. So I will add it and be mixing it gradually. Take your time to mix this, okay? Then now I'm going in with the SLS water, okay? Go in with it and mix it very well until everything is well combined. If you are making this soap for commercial purpose, you use 5 liters of water to dissolve your Nitroso. Okay, you use 5 liters of water to dissolve your Nitroso so that your soap will be very thick. I'm making this soap for house use. That's the reason why I use 10 liters of water to dissolve the Nitroso. I don't want the soap to be too thick, so I left the soap for some hours so that the foam can settle properly, and this is what we have. This is not very thick. It's not a thick soap because I'm using it for house use. So like I said, if you are using it for business, use 5 liters of water to dissolve your Nitroso, okay, so that it will come out very thick. And in case you make liquid soap that is this thick, that is this light, and you want it to be thicker than this, maybe later you can add more. You just dissolve some Nitroso and add it to your soap. It will still come back very thick. Okay, so now I'm mixing the colors that I want to use for this liquid soap. I have different colors that I want to use. I want to make it very colorful. So you can see soap making is not difficult and it is not hard. So you just need a guidance to do this. And when you are doing your soap, please use hand glove. Okay, it's because I'm used to this process, that is why I did not use hand glove. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, I would like you to give this video a like, comment, share this video so that people out there can learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Your like, your subscription will help YouTube to push out my video the more. Leave a comment. Did you get value from this video? I want to know in the comment section. Is there any other way you make your soap? Let me know in the comment section. Is there any other thing you want me to share in my next video? Please let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you right there. I'm glad that you stayed till this time. Thank you so much. This soap came out so nice and it's very foamy. Okay,
Every dish a beautiful song, recipe shared from heart to hand. Then it is magic, they'll understand. Pots and pans, a merry stage, through old kitchen tales we engage. Sizzle, stir, spice and taste. Nothing in bed and it goes to waste. Oven hums a gentle tune, baking dreams by afternoon. From sunrise till the end of light, Bennett's makes everything right. Cooking with love.